Yes, we do receive a few other quotes as well. Few were expensive, few were cheap, but all the work what we needed, Sidhu's quote was up to standard.
Oh yes, absolutely, 100%. I'll highly recommend it to those people who are nervous or scared to get their renovation started. They are very professional and communication was very easy. Everything well planned, well executed, and amazing results. Very happy.
During this process, they communicate on every step what we needed, what is good for this thing or not.
We never wait for a reply.
But when Sidhu came up, he gave us a visual idea of what exactly our house is going to look like after the renovation. He showed us heaps of
videos and samples,
sample and previous work as well. And
very impressive.
That sold us on that idea. We're going to hire Sidhu straight away. They deliver
more than what we expected.
More than what we expected, actually. Regarding the time frame, it's just because of our improvisation. It takes 1 week extra, but we are still very happy with what they deliver. Yeah.
Yes, very happy. They have done very good job. Excellent.
And Sidhu's works speak itself. Anyway,
yeah,
you can see
their work speak itself, so need not to say anything. Excellent.